So, what have we done then, Johnny?
We haven't done anything.
No, true. What has our drone done?
Oh, yeah. I think it's operator error.
Well, hang on.
No.
So, we've taken the Jeep out for a lovely first ever drive, and we're trying to film a nice cinematic video, aren't we?
With the drone.
Yeah, we get 5 minutes down the road. Drone's doing some
5 minutes, about 30 seconds.
Drone's doing some lovely flying, avoiding everything. Then it comes down a bit further, because obviously there's not many trees. Then there's this tree. So the drone decides it's going to try and swerve round it, but before it notices how close it is, it goes directly into the tree, and it's actually stuck. You can't quite see there, but there's a green light flashing on it.
So you may never see the drone footage. Now, we can't work out how to get it out, but I've had one idea, and it involves this. So we're going to have, it's only an air gun, and it shoots round plastic balls. So it's, let me not point it out.
Yeah, I'd rather
it's kill or cure.
Yeah.
So we're going to have 6 shots each. I won first go, so let's see if I can get it.
All right.
I hit it.
You did. Well, that didn't work.
You hit it. And another hit. I'm impressed you can throw something that big that far. Oh, that would have been perfect. That one? Ooh! It's stuck in the branch below. Great shot though, but we're going to get it. Oh, it's hanging by nothing. Yes. Oh. Yay! Well done you.
Gee.
Well done you.
That took a bit. My arm workout for the month done.
Oh yeah, it's in better days.
No.
Don't ruin those very nice new Timberland shoes. Oh, I'd have broken knee again.
Where is she? Ah.
Yes, but that's cheaper than the new drone.
True.
We're going to go buy an arm.
Yeah, true.
It seems to have shot its lot. You have to take the battery. Oh well. All's well that ends well.
Popped it there as well. Side popped out.